Welcome to another Learn and Gain session on Itil. In this video we will talk about availability management. Availability is the ability of an IT service or other configuration item to perform its agreed function when required. Availability is determined by reliability, maintainability, serviceability, performance and security. Availability is usually calculated as a percentage. The main challenge of availability management in today's world is to meet the expectation of the customer. Business expect their services to be available 24/7. Let us take an example of a pizza store. In order to deliver the varieties of pizzas that are offered at the store, all the ingredients must be available to prepare and deliver. Let us consider a scenario where there is no enough ingredients to prepare pizza. Now the service is impacted, which is baking and delivering the pizza. There is no enough dough to prepare pizza. The supplier has to provide dough on time to ensure that the service is not impacted. The quantity of dough needs to be checked. The goal of availability management is that agreed level of service is delivered, matching or exceeding the current and future needs of the business. The purpose of availability management is to provide a point of focus to the management for all availability related issues. It is more like a single point of contact. Let's take an example of a hosted application. There are various components which constitute the availability of the application, just like the ingredients required for a pizza. You should now be able to relate the components to run an application as a service, and the ingredients required to provide pizza as a service. In either of the services, the availability of the components is the key to ensure that the service is available. Failing of a component will impact the availability of a service. There are two interconnected levels of availability. They are service availability and component availability. Before we get into the details, how do we define availability in IT? Availability is usually referred to the amount of time a service is not available. It is the ability of a component, or ACI, to perform its agreed function when required. What is service availability? In our example, if the application is not available to our customers, or pizza cannot be delivered, our service availability. It refers to the service not available as required. Service is usually impacted by its component not performing its desired function. This is referred to as component availability. Server or network down, causing application unavailable. Veggies or meat not available for making any more pizzas. These are component availability. Availability of service is visible to our customer. Customer is only at the receiving end, and the components are invisible to customer. Customer might not be aware of the components related to a service. In IT, usually components are load balanced. If a primary component fails, secondary will support ensuring that the service is available to our customers. In a non-load balanced environment, when primary fails, the service to customers is directly impacted, causing service availability. Customer satisfaction improves greatly as long as the services are readily available to them when required. There are two key elements to availability management. One is proactive, to plan and design proactively. Other one is reactive, to analyze all events and incidents. Availability is measured as the percentage of the system uptime to its agreed service time. We were able to provide you a basic understanding on availability management. For more videos, please visit our website www.learnandgain.in. You can also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. We will be publishing more videos on Itil. You can also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/learnandgain. You can also follow us on LinkedIn. You can follow us on Twitter. Thank you and have a nice day.